Hey, what's up, guys? We are.
For university classmate knowledge. Yeah, fuck.
Today we're going to show you three different atomic models: Dalton's, Thomson's, and Rutherford's. So yeah, Dalton was a British man, and he loved to do statements about atoms and how they function. So let's see a little more about him.
The first statement. The matter is made by small particles called atoms. It cannot be destroyed, it cannot be divided. Like this one.
Go!
The atoms of the same element are equals. They have the same weight and the same properties. But when we are talking about atoms of a different element, they have different properties and different weight. Like when we see Chinese people, they are all the same.
Are we the last living souls?
Atoms don't divide, even when combined with other chemical elements in reactions. Really, they cannot be divided. When atoms combine to form compounds, they say a simple relationship, you know. Atoms of different elements can combine in different proportions to form more than one compound. Chemical compounds are made by atoms of one or more different elements.
So yeah, that was a kind of shocking and disturbing explication of Dalton's theory, but well, our next contestant or our next important person is Thomson. Let's see what it's all about. Bye.
You know, are we?
Okay, here we have another obsolete atomic model, which is Thomson's model proposed in 1904. In this atomic model, the atom is composed of electrons and is also surrounded by a soup of positive charge. Very nice for those years. But we do not have a nucleus here inside. So it's not too good for us in this time. We can see Thomson's model as a cake, a raisins cake, where the dough mass of cake is the positive part and the raisins are the electrons with negative charge. It's so simple.
The last living souls? Are we the last?
It's so simple that I better choose that I won't explain more, so
Living souls? Are we the last to get?
Okay, thanks Kenny. We already knew that Thomson's model was too simple, so yeah, thanks a lot. By the way, nice cake. So yeah, the next model is Rutherford. Let's see what he says.
The nucleus and its positive charge was discovered by Ernest Rutherford through a series of experiments. By bombarding a gold plate with alpha particles, he noticed that some particles passed through it without problem, like this one. Only one of every 1,000 particles bent, and even fewer bounced back. Then Rutherford proposed a new atomic model where negative particles were around a positive nucleus. Then Rutherford thought, a great force is needed to repulse the particles.
Hey, it's me again, and okay, Wannabe, thanks for the explanation, but I think it was not necessary to be that explicit with the force that Rutherford wants to say, right? Okay, bye. Equally thanks. So yeah, that's all, friends. We are F.U.C.K, and see you another day.
Hello? Who's up?
Thompson, your model is a piece of crap.